You've heard about the amazing benefits of keto, the energy, the focus, the weight melting off, but it's not always easy to get into ketosis or stay there. First of all, how do you even know you're in ketosis? Ketone test strips. You can use these anytime you eat a questionably keto food or you feel like you may have been kicked out of ketosis. What do you do if you're no longer in ketosis? Well, you can shuttle ketones straight into your bloodstream by taking base for mental energy and to ward off keto flu symptoms. Or you can take MCT oil powder, put it directly in your coffee, your smoothie, almond milk for a really creamy, delicious, non-dairy source of fats to convert directly to ketones. Lastly, cover all of your bases with Perfect Keto Collagen Powder. This is grass-fed collagen protein with MCTs that's gonna help your hair, your gut, your nails, and your overall health. And after all, health is what keto is all about. All of these products are included in the Perfect Keto Starter Bundle, so click here to learn more and make keto easy.